Today we are gonna share a very simple recipe of green capsicum with potatoes. This recipe is an ideal day-to-day curry recipe that can be made within minutes with minimal ingredients available in the kitchen. It is generally made as a side dish for flatbreads like rotis. Starting by preparing the ginger, garlic, and chili paste. Add cooking oil. Followed by cumin seeds. It is a key spice in Indian cooking. Add the ginger, garlic, and chili paste. Add in the sliced onions. Saute it till it turns brown. Add in tomatoes and potatoes. Add in the sliced capsicums. And finally the chili, coriander, turmeric and garam masala powder with salt.